What's the plan for today, Amanda?
We're going to Kalanggaman Island, if that's how you say it properly. We're not really sure if we're on the right boat or if we're with the right tour, but we're going with it anyway.
What's there to do at this island?
Not much. It's supposed to be really nice. It's got a big sandbar in the middle, really nice water. So
Get some nice photos, video,
yeah, to get some nice
drone
photos
shots.
and video, drone shots, go snorkeling. That's about it.
Very good. Sounds interesting.
It should be.
Fun-packed day ahead. Yes?
Yes.
Very good.
Get up early.
Very full boat.
Things you need to know before you go to Kalanggaman Island. That's how you say it. It takes about 2 hours to get there from Malapascua, and it costs about 800 pesos for the boat and for lunch. Note, you do have to pay an additional 500 pesos per entry fee when you arrive at the island. That's a total of $25 per person. To book the tour, do it the day before from Malapascua port. And did you know that you can also stay the night in a tent or a teepee, but there are extra charges?
This is right. Very hot.
It's quite hot. I was freezing when I got off the boat, but yeah, and the beautiful sandbar and the beautiful green water. The people next to us were feeling ripped off because they didn't realise there was a 500 peso entrance fee each. How are you enjoying the island, Dean?
I'm enjoying it very nice. Nice weather. Got lots and lots of drone footage, which is really good. Although Amanda's now stopping us from getting lunch.
Sorry. Dean's got to run. He's hoping it's lechon on. So how was lunch, Dean?
Lunch was really good. I was actually quite surprised. Very nice lechon and barbecue chicken and some noodles. Very smoky taste. Very nice. We recommend it.
You were a bit concerned there wasn't going to be enough food on the boat,
I was, but there was actually enough for me to go up to the seconds and then thirds. So I was quite happy.
And to have the rest of my food as well.
Yeah, and have the rest of Amanda's.
And you can stay here overnight. You just either rent a tent or there's some little teepees which we'll go and have a look at. You can come to the island and have lunch, but you've got to hire these little huts as well. And yes, they do have toilets, but no electricity or running water here. And these are the really cool teepees that you can hire through Jeddah Resort. They're 1,000 pesos per night or $20. And if you're too hot, you could always climb up into the tree house, which has a great view of the island and is quite cool. We really enjoyed our day trip to Kalanggaman Island. We had a fantastic, relaxing day and soaking in the beautiful views. It really is a must-see if you're at Malapascua. I really just wish that we stayed the night